Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this video. This is Makiem Tutorials, and I'm here again to teach you physics, fundamental and derived quantities and units. That's the topic, though this topic is for beginners in physics, fundamental and derived quantities and units. Before we continue with the topic, if you are new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk about teaching and learning. We teach you science-based subjects and mathematics, and then some other important subjects. It's for students, that is learners, and also for teachers. Now, I would like you to do me a favor. Subscribe to this channel if you love what we are doing on this channel, and then turn the notification icon on so that whenever I post another interesting video, YouTube will quickly alert you. All right, without further ado, let's go into the topic. What are fundamental quantities? Fundamental quantities are quantities on which other quantities depend. And then we call the units fundamental units. In physics, we have so many quantities, but there are some that are so fundamental that most of the other quantities depend on them. So these are called fundamental quantities. Of all the fundamental quantities that we have, about 7 of them, these 3 are the most basic of all the units. And these 3 are length, which is measured in meter, mass measured in kilogram, and time measured in seconds. So these units, meter, kilogram, and seconds, are called fundamental units. Now, I told you that the most basic are mass, length, and time. So we still have 4 other fundamental quantities. Electric current, which is measured in ampere. The symbol for ampere is A. Temperature is measured in Kelvin. We have other units of temperature, but the SI unit, which is the international system of units accepted internationally, is Kelvin. We have Celsius, we have Fahrenheit, but Kelvin is the fundamental unit, SI unit. We also have amount of a substance, which is measured in mole, and luminous intensity measured in candela. All these 7 are the fundamental quantities that we have in physics. So let's go to derived quantities. Derived quantities. As the name implies, these are quantities that are derived from the fundamental quantities. I'll give you some examples. Volume. Volume is length times base times height. That is the formula for volume. And, excuse me, length is measured in meter, base meter, height in meter. So the unit is cubic meter, which is meters cube. All these are distances, length, base, and height. They are distances. And in the course of this topic, I'll be representing everything with length. And that's what happens in physics. Any distance can be called length. So volume can be length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Density, the formula for density is mass divided by volume. The unit of mass is kilogram, and then the unit of volume is cubic meter. So it is kilogram divided by meter cube, or you write it as kilogram per meter cube. Velocity is displacement divided by time. So the unit of displacement is meter, the unit of time is second. This is supposed to be -1. That is the unit of velocity. We have so many other derived quantities like force, acceleration, momentum, pressure, energy, frequency, and etc. So that is all I have for you under fundamental and derived quantities and units. Like I said, this is introduction. So I'll see you in the next topic. In the next topic, we'll be discussing dimensioning of physical quantities. Thank you once again. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that. And then if you have anything to raise or anything you don't understand, can you just write in the comment section? Give this video a thumbs up, turn notification icon on, so that you get notified anytime I post another video. If you are watching on TikTok, please follow. Thank you. Bye for now.